time to meet the Neora Double Botanical Cleanser. Well, how can a cleanser be exciting? Well, this is the very first cleanser on the market in the world that is a double botanical cleanser. And what does that mean? We often put oily things on our skin like makeup. We also produce oil on our skin. And we produce water-soluble things like, dirt gets on your skin. It actually comes out of the air and pollution and everything. And the same products don't remove both. You have oil-based cleansers and you have water-based cleansers. So Neora worked with people all over the world to formulate a cleanser, botanical cleanser, that dissolves both. And the way you use it, because I think I think it's so important to learn how to use products and not just what a product does. You apply it neat. It's a lovely, beautiful, thin cream. And you apply it neat to your skin, obviously all over your face. I'm just doing an example. And you just gently massage, and that will remove your oil-based impurities. And then you splash the water on your face. And that forms an emulsion, and that will dissolve the dirt on your face and leave your skin lovely and refreshing and ready for any products you want to put on it. It's very important to cleanse your skin because otherwise you'll get clogged pores and things. You need to unclog the pores, and also anything you apply to the skin you want to be absorbed into the skin and not blocked by a barrier of dirt and oil. So there you have it, our double cleanser.